I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of waste management. In this video, I'm going to discuss about types of environmentally sound technologies, and the short form is EST. What are the types of EST? There are two types of EST. One is soft EST, other one is hard EST. Soft EST is nothing but basically rules, regulation, policies, frameworks, then set of instruction, and a set of managerial skills and soft skills to manage the waste effectively. That is known as soft EST. And now we are going to discuss about the hard EST. If I talk about the hard EST, it is just like a physical component. It's just like a tangible property, tangible items or tangible assets. That is generally called as hard EST. So mainly we require some equipments for the collection. That is generally called it as set out containers. So set out containers are usually made up of with the paper, plastic bag or metal or like a plastic garbage or craft paper based on what type of waste you are going to segregate. Also, we can see like it is included in like bags, pots, plastic, paper bags, cane. These are the different type of material which is made up of like a set of containers. Okay, we require to collect the waste temporary so that set out containers are required. So that is one type of like a device. Other one is the sorted waste. We already discussed about the collection components like a set out container. Waste is going to segregate inside the set out container. Once the waste is segregated, we have to go for like a transportation. From the source to transfer station, we require transportation, right? So in the transportation, there are different types of transportations are available. There are two type of transportation. One is called a non-compactor vehicle. Other one is called a compactor vehicle. So we'll discuss about the non-compactor truck. Initially, as you can observe, the non-compactor truck are less efficient. Why? Because there is no compactor mechanism. It is just like a manual operation. Okay, there is no other norms to adjust the waste to increase the pressure and reduce the volume. That mechanism is not there. Okay, it is just like we are simply dumping the waste on the particular space where we can keep the waste. Fine. Here only we are going to insert the waste. Fine. There is no other mechanism, no hydraulic mechanism. But the efficiency is very less. If I talk about the cost compared to compactor vehicle, cost is very less for non-compactor vehicle. But there is no other adjustment. It is manually operating vehicle. So such kind of transportation system is generally called as non-compactor vehicle. Kindly go through the points which I have written over there. Next, we'll discuss about the compacting vehicle or compactor vehicle. Both are fine. What do you mean by compactor vehicle? If I talk about like a compactor vehicle, now we can observe, see the size. If I talk about the size, we can occupy maximum amount of waste, but because there is a compacting mechanism, there is a hydraulic movement, hydraulic shaft, the hydraulic lifting mechanism will be there in case of the compactor vehicle. I like we are applying high pressure. We are applying the pressure. Okay, pressure we are going to increase. Therefore, the volume will be reducing. You might have studied about the Boyle's law, like P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. Same thing we are applying here, but the mechanism that is like a fully automatic mechanism. There is a hydraulic lifting movement will be available. So maximum amount of waste can be collected. So that fuel cost will be number of trip can be reduced because maximum amount of waste can be occupied in that particular area. Increase the labor productivity. These are the major advantages. But if I talk about the cost of the vehicle, that is almost double than that of non-compactor vehicle. And it is suitable for very long distances. We can take lot of waste from one point to another point because maximum area can be occupied. So this type of vehicle is generally called as compacting vehicle, which is used for the transportation. So we studied about the collection component and transportation, which is categorized into hard EST. So in this session, we discussed about what are the environmentally friendly technologies, sound technologies, EST. Two type of EST, soft EST and hard EST. Soft EST, what is the meaning of soft EST we have discussed. Later, we discussed about the hard EST, which includes set out container, transportation, etc. Okay, let me know if you have any queries. In the coming session, we are going to discuss about factors affecting the solid waste management. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you have any queries and suggestions. Okay, have a great learning.